everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about how I sewed a scarf with fringe trim. I made this scarf as a gift for a friend of mine, but before I made the scarf I decided to film the process. I originally wanted to make a tutorial about how to sew a scarf, but after a lot of thought I decided it would be better if I did a walkthrough of how I made the scarf instead. The fabric I used to make the scarf is a purple and white minky fabric my friend picked out. I bought 1 yard, but I needed less for the scarf. After figuring out the size I wanted the scarf and seam allowances, I trimmed the ends of the fabric so the pattern on the fabric would be straight on the cut edges. Once the edges looked the way I wanted them to, I measured and cut 2 pieces for the scarf. I wanted the minky fabric pattern to be symmetrical, so I took that into account when I decided on the width of the scarf. After I cut all the pieces, I sewed them together. I first sewed the middle seam, joining the 2 pieces into one. Then I sewed the sides together, wrong sides of the fabric out. After the seams were sewn, I pressed the seams. After pressing the seams, I turned the scarf right side out and measured the openings of the scarf and cut the fringe trim to the right length. The trim I used is a trim I already had in my fabric stash. I cut the trim so it would be 2 layers of trim sewn into the opening of the scarf. This made the fringe look thicker than it would have otherwise been had there been 1 layer of the trim. Once that was done, I hand sewed the trim into place. I could have used a sewing machine on this part, but I wanted the edges to have as few visible stitches as possible. After I finished sewing the trim onto the scarf, I pressed the scarf one last time, and it was done. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.